This video is presented by VoiceOver Article. Many people rely on a solicitor for advice or assistance regarding a variety of aspects of their lives. When facing what can feel like an uphill battle in the world of personal injury claims, the intensity of that reliance is great. The injured person or persons is normally recovering not only from the physical damage that they incurred as a result of someone else's negligence, but also from the pain, suffering, and distress caused by the disturbance of their normal lifestyle. There may be trauma, a natural byproduct of one person injuring another, accidental or not. Often there are not only medical bills and appointments, but lost wages, lost abilities, or sometimes, even lost life for which a claimant is seeking compensation. Due to the complexity of injury law and the process of proving negligence and winning a case, most claimants will eventually seek some form of professional legal advice in the form of a solicitor. There are solicitors who work individually, but some people feel more comfortable with an established group of solicitors, who often tend to have access to more resources, that means the brains and experience of each member. Perhaps you already have a relationship with a personal firm of solicitors. But when so much is at stake, personal firms are not always the best choice. Choosing a legal advisor solely on the basis of existing relationships can injure a claimant's chances of winning a case. Just because your neighbor's brother just got a job at a law firm doesn't mean that you should choose that firm. However, if his job is with one of the top injury firms in Great Britain, which you have verified through a reliable source, then following the instinct to choose his firm is likely to prove to be a good choice. If you are not lucky enough to have the neighbor with a brother working for a fabulous injury firm, then choosing the right solicitor can sometimes seem overwhelming. In any town in the United Kingdom, it is easy to find a solicitor. Simply open the phone book or look in the local newspaper's personals, and there are bound to be plenty of choices. Yet selecting someone solely on the basis of an advertisement is not necessarily the best way to make what will likely turn out to be a rather important decision either. There are a number of sources of information to help you choose the right injury firm with solicitors who have experience with cases where one individual or organization injures another. These solicitors have the knowledge that will allow them to best personalize how they handle your case depending on the severity and extent of your injuries and expenses. The Community Legal Service Direct is one such resource. They can provide information on how to file a claim on your own as well as how to select a solicitor and what to expect throughout the litigation process. Located throughout Great Britain, there are also community advice bureaus and law centers, which exist to make sure that citizens have the information they need to make the right choices regarding their legal needs. This video is presented by VoiceOver Article.